In this video, we are going to create dynamic chart like this. It will update dynamically whenever data will change. For this, I have a student table. In this, we have a student name, there is score, and we have to create here dynamic chart. So let's create this. First, select all the cells. We'll use here one formula, that is equal to repeat. Text I'll be using here bar sign, and I'll repeat this bar sign as per the score. Close the bracket, press Ctrl Enter. Now we will be using the font Playbill. Here colors are same. Now we will be doing conditional formatting for this. So we'll go into Home tab, select conditional formatting, click on new rules. Here I'll use last option, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I'll be using a score. So I'll remove $sign so that we can drag down. If it is greater than 80, then format cell, text color would be green. Click OK. If a score is more than 80, so it is green. Now again, we will select the complete, go into conditional formatting. Now we can click on manage rule. Here I'll select this and I will duplicate this 2 more times. Now we will edit this formula. Double click here. Now here, if it is less than equal to 80, then yellow. Click OK. Now third condition, if it is less than 45, we'll use red. Click OK. Apply. Okay. Now if the score is changing, it will automatically change the bar size.